Good morning, everybody. 9:59, 8 seconds, April 10th. This is the drawing for the Deadpool lot, the New Mutants 98 9.0, the Deadpool Volume 1, Number 1, and Deadpool and Cable Number 1. I'm very sorry for the lengthy delay. This thing filled about 45 minutes ago, but just as the last 3 or 4 spots were being taken, I had a work phone call. I just got off it now, so again, I do apologize for the delay. It filled in less than an hour. Unfortunately, it took me almost an hour to get this run now. So here we are. Let's roll our 3 dice. Those were the 19 filled spots. This is winner take all. Going to randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list will get all 3 books. I may actually be able to get them out in the mail this afternoon. Worst case scenario, they will ship out tomorrow, Thursday, April 11th. So I wish you all the best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14, spot 13, Victor Palacios. Congratulations. 10 a.m., 21.